Hey, HighTechLegion.com, this is Skate and Eric here today to show you one of the latest releases from Sapphire. This is their newest Radeon HD 6970. Now, this isn't very different from the original 6970, it just has two key updates. One being that they modified the fan structure on top because of complaints of noise. It sounded like a jet engine taking off when it was running at full speed. They have split the fans into dual 90mm fans with thinner blades for better sound and dissipation. And then they've also included the dual BIOS switch with these that you've seen on like the 6950s. So one is usually set at the default BIOS, while the other one can be manipulated and modified for people that like to performance tune, overclock, etc. And here is the 6970 outside of the box. And what we'll notice here is the new design of the top fan plate here. It has that similar shape and size as you'll see on their like flex cards and toxic cards, but inside here we have nice, smaller, thinner 90mm dual fans here. The blades themselves are actually thinner as well, so it should help with noise output. And then another thing you will see is, it's kind of hard to see from here, but right here is that dual BIOS switch. It's the same switch you would see on the 6950. You just flip it back and forth, one spot being default, the other spot where you are able to modify it. It still retains the 8-pin and 6-pin connectors here. And then on the face here we have our dual DVIs and dual display ports and our HDMI port there. Now, as for the architecture, it's the same as the original 6970, so we get 1536 stream processors, 96 texture processors, clock speed is set at 880 on the core and 1375 for the 2GB of GDDR5 memory. Now, with the dual BIOS set in the standard position, the fans will keep the model quiet and up to 25% cooler than the standard model under load conditions. Now, when we switch that BIOS switch to the performance setting, the GPU core is automatically raised to 1.2 volts and the fan speed is set to high performance. So it is manually changed based off of what the dual BIOS switch you put at. It'll power tune adjust, and the overclocking is raised to 50%, allowing the user to maximize performance on the card and increase the clock speeds with overdrive or the trick software or whatever you like to use at a maximum of 1500 megahertz on the core and 2000 megahertz on the memory. Now, the 6970 still retains all of its features that was seen in the standard model. You'll still get Eyefinity ability, AMD's app acceleration. We still get the unified video decoder for Blu-ray decoding. There's still DirectX 11 support, Direct Compute 11 instructions. Now, as per accessories, we get the standard layout with Sapphire cards here, installation CD here, our VGA to DVI adapter. We get our power connectors. This is the Molex to 8-pin, and this is a Molex to 6-pin connector. Crossfire interconnect. We have a display port, mini DP to regular DP. And then we also get the included HDMI cable. Quick install CD and our Sapphire product card. And that is the new and improved Sapphire Radeon HD 6970.